Okay, we got it now. All right, there it is. Okay, this video we're going to be using this Zulus 5x20 digital optic. We are going to be zeroing it. I'm going to kind of show you the features of that in kind of real time here. And then we're going to use the ballistics calculator as well and see how it all does. So we're shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor. Okay. And then we're going to be, I'll have you follow along on the app. So, all right, we're on, let's see. There we go. What are we at? So I forgot my spotting scope like an idiot. So we're at 60 yards. It's going to be a weird zero, but whatever. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to record all this so that you guys can see it. So we're going to shoot a couple here. See where we are. Okay, so we're just off a little bit. Dang it, man. Now I feel like it's probably all over the place. Let's see if we can even. Okay, so we're still zeroed in that same spot. Okay, we got it now. All right, there it is. Okay. Weird. So it's like I'm trying to move the phone to move my reticle when I'm holding on to it. All right, well, that's the end of that magazine. Let's see. Now, this is Winchester Target. Damn, it's 125 grains. So this, you know what? See, I have 156 grains. So this typically does better with a heavier grain bullet. So let's give that a try. Yeah, so I'm getting that group right. Right in here. Okay. Let's give it another go here. just under now. Well, let's do this. I have a target. Let's go to, where's the ballistics? Ballistic. Where is that? There's the gyro. Oh, there we go. Ballistics. Okay, let's see. I have. All right. I'm going to change that. I'm at 60. Stupid. All right. Well, I don't know how far we got into that last video, but all my camera gear is shutting off. The Arizona heat really takes its toll on my gear. So now we are trying to work out the ballistics calculator. While the app has it, in this version, it doesn't have it where it syncs it up, which is a bummer. I thought it did, but it doesn't. So it's not going to give you that holdover. So you do have to get the upgraded model, the LRF. So a little bit of a disappointment, but if I had read the instructions earlier, I would have known. So only person to blame is myself. And now what we're going to do, I have a target way out there. Oh, you know, you guys probably can't even see it because, yeah, now I'm not recording off of my phone because now I'm using my phone. Where is that? Oh, I'm way off. Okay. Oh, there she is. Hello. All right, so this is only at 210 yards, so let's see if I can get it. Bam! Oh, you know what? Shoot, I can record right here. I didn't even think about that. All right. Okay, where is that guy? Oh, I'm way too high up. There it is right there. You guys see that? Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can focus a little bit better. And again, you guys can't see it, but I can see my cant in the heads-up display right here. Boom. Okay, yeah, I held off to the side because I was interested in something. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Crap, let's get back on it. So, lots of fun here. So now the app does have the ballistics calculator, and that tells you what your holdover is going to be. You just enter in all your data, but we don't get the holdover actually in the heads-up display here on our actual scope. I just have that set up in a tree. It might fall over. So cool. All right, I'm out. All right, now I'm gonna see if I can hit. Now it's gonna be hard to tell because it's just a rock up there. But I'm going to see what I can do with this shot. No spotter. Just kind of off the cuff. I just want to see if I can do it, which I should be able. Well, I shouldn't say I should be able to. I've done it before.
let's see. All right, where is it? Well, I mean, it's up there. Let's see if I can find something. All right. Okay, the only thing is, I need to raise up my bipod. This shot. Let's see. All right, so we're just gonna try for that. You know what? That one might be a better one. So I'm just gonna drop. Got it. See, so this is where it would be nice to have that built-in ballistics calculator. But for the price that we're putting into this one, like I said, like $450 when it's on sale. I mean, that's really impressive. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know what, so let's see. So then if we were in here, we'd be able to, give us an indicator. Oh, it's really off. I'm not very stable behind it right now. Okay. Yeah, so it'd give us that holdover. Man, that'd be so cool. Where is that rock? It's definitely far away. 335 to 34 yards away. Boom. Got it. All right. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you later.